Hi, my name is Marianne Heritage Red. I am currently a third grade general education teacher. For my MARP assignment, I have selected to present on interactive whiteboards. The first interactive whiteboard for educational purposes was introduced by SMART in 1991. They now can be found in classrooms that educate preschoolers to graduate students. This is a tool that helps facilitate students with developing 21st century skills, which are collaboration, communication, critical thinking, and creativity, to be successful beyond the classroom. An interactive whiteboard is an instructional tool that enables students to actively engage with content material. This is a large touchscreen board that can be manipulated using a finger, digital pins, or other devices. A computer can be connected to enable images, presentations, lessons, games, and much more, to be displayed utilizing a projector to actively engage learners. There are multiple features that an interactive whiteboard offers instructors. Media content is a feature that enables the teacher to search on the internet, play videos, display photos, deliver presentations, and much more. After finding information or an image, the instructor is able to label information and zoom in to see more details. Another feature is to spotlight an image or specific area of the whiteboard. The teacher can move the spotlight to an area in which he or she would like to focus on. The third feature is the shade screen, which allows information to be hidden until the teacher is ready to display it. This is a great tool to quiz the students. Magnifier is another tool that allows the teacher to zoom in on an image. Then there is a pointer that enables the instructor to highlight or mark information. Connected to computers, they offer whole group access to colorful educational websites, powerful assessment software, and teacher-made materials tailored to fit a class needs. Teachers can utilize color to change the color of the text and/or the background. There are studies that show that students' brains remember more effectively when the background is blue or yellow and the text is yellow or white. This would assist students with memorizing facts. These are just a few of the features that are available on an interactive whiteboard. The most effective way to keep the attention of students is to get them engaged with the lesson. Students can interact with the content area by inviting them to the board to draw, highlight, answer, and other various elements of the lesson. Students prefer to be involved with their learning instead of passively listening to the lecture. Participants can demonstrate their knowledge and receive immediate feedback as they touch, write, and draw. The greatest advantage to an interactive whiteboard is the student's ability to interact. Research has shown that students learn best when they are fully engaged. Hands-on learning is one of the best ways to achieve this. This allows them to participate in learning or collaborate with others at a more focused, engaged level. Through interactive lessons, there exists a higher quality connection between the instructor and the students. This interactivity is believed to lead to higher level of classroom participation and provide an increased academic performance. An interactive whiteboard can be utilized to deliver whole class and small group to meet the learning needs of those students that are visual, kinesthetic, and auditory learners. It makes differentiated learning so much easier for teachers to accommodate the various learning styles within their classroom. The interactive whiteboard allows educators to include various visual elements. The elements can consist of pictures, videos, animation, PowerPoint presentations, diagrams, and so much more. Teachers can embed graphic organizers, charts, tallies, and other distinct marks to their lesson. The use of web-based games and activities will also allow the students to grasp a better understanding of the material. Students are able to make connections to the patterns or relationships. Teachers and students are able to highlight key points of information and underline words or ideas. These activities can assist students with retaining the information. Kinesthetic learners can learn through engaging with the touching with the interactive lessons. The touchscreen option enables the teacher to run learning apps and lessons and programs by tapping or swiping their fingers, fists, or palms. This allows the user to easily navigate objects on the whiteboard, as interactive whiteboard reinforces students' abilities on how to form letters, numbers, or shapes for younger students, just like shaving cream and sand can. Auditory learners can learn the sounds of letters, pronunciation of words, sentences, listen to problems, listen to stories, speeches, poems, music, songs, and the possibilities are endless. When the teacher combines audio and visual representation, the students form a stronger connection in their brain that allows them to recall the material. Teachers can use the text-to-speech software to read the letters, words, sentences, read alouds, and much more. Students can see and hear the explanation to problems and discussions. Glover, Miller, Avery's, and Dorr have shown that interactive whiteboards used in schools promote student interest, more sustained concentration, and more effective learning, where teachers are aware of the ways in which such technology can be used to support a variety of learning styles. By integrating an interactive whiteboard into classrooms, teacher can encourage participants to collaborate in a shared work environment. This allows students to become part of the learning process. Studies also report that since the interactive whiteboard have the capability to post and present student work, discussions can be conducted, and the focus on student-created material helps the class to be on task. Students do not get involved with just the interactive whiteboard. They also get involved with each other. Collaboration is necessary to engage students and with utilizing and also fostering their cognitive thinking skills. They can discuss, explain, and reason with each other to gain a deeper understanding of the material. Interactive whiteboards allow students with various learning disabilities to learn in a more effective way. Students that have hearing impairments can receive audio enhancements, can be paired with the audio classroom. This feature will boost the teacher's voice from a portable microphone. Students that have dyslexia can receive support by utilizing a software program that will assist the student by adding colorful text, video clips, and animation into the lesson. If a student has mobility limitation, there are software programs that can be connected to a device, and the device is then connected to the interactive whiteboard, which allow the student to interact from their location. Individuals that have attention deficit hyperactivity disorder or attention deficit disorder are able to engage actively within the lesson. Students are able to manipulate the screen, allowing them to focus. The screen and spotlight features allow the teachers to reveal portions of the information. Students that have autism are able to utilize the device to assist with verbal and nonverbal communication and impaired social interactions. Embedding visual stimuli, interactive manipulatives, and sound will enhance their learning experience. Teachers are able to create interactive schedules and routines. Teacher can embed audio to reinforce concepts for students that are English language learners. Teachers have access to multiple online resources and online tools that will reinforce the content area. Smart Hub, Smart Exchange, iExcel, the National Library of Virtual Manipulatives, and Teacher Guide are just some of the sites that offer variable resource to enhance instruction. Interactive whiteboards provide students with an enriched learning experience. Classrooms all over the country are having them installed to enhance the way the students learn. In the British Journal of Educational Technology, Rich Wood and Jean Ashfield state that the educational system needs to update with the evolving technology in order to motivate and engage students, as well as to help prepare students for their future in which this technology will become the norm. Studies have shown when the teachers use interactive whiteboard, their students' test scores increase. This is the result of students being active participants in their own education. They are more motivated to learn because the teachers can capture the attention of their students when utilizing various styles by preparing lessons that are stimulating tactile, auditory, and visual. As educators, it is imperative that we supply our students with the necessary skills to be able to build upon their foundation of knowledge. By utilizing an interactive whiteboard, students can develop skills that will effectively engage them within their environment and enable them to learn in multiple learning styles. Here are a few sites that provide lesson plans, games, interactive lessons, PowerPoints, and much more. These resources will enable the educator to actively engage students with their learning. Here is a list of all the sources that I use for my presentation. Thank you.